Damn it. I have no idea why I'm even recording these, but like, oh, people really like them, so I know people are just like they want louder ones. I'm trying to like open my mouth on that, but mine are really quiet. Yeah, so sorry about that. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm trying to like get them to be so much louder. Also, thanks people for like subscribing and like liking and all your comments. Oh, I will try to get to everyone's comment. As I was saying, I'll try to get to everyone's comments, but it may just take, like I might not reply straight away. I try and reply as soon as I can. Yeah. But because I'm back at school, it makes it a bit harder for me to reply all the time. You know, I hope you guys are enjoying these.